Hello everyone, welcome to Think Big Digital, and today I will show you how to check Snapchat trash bin. So let's open our Snapchat app and let's say you had either a chat or any story or a highlight that you have since deleted and now you want to track it back. So how can you do it? The best way is to tap on your profile on the top left and then tap on the gear icon on the top right. Here, scroll all the way to the bottom and then select My Data. Here, you can download all available data about your profile. So, here are the options and make sure to check any option that is useful to you. And after you're done selecting what you want to download, scroll down and then click Next. Here you can readjust the time frame and then click on Submit. And then Snapchat will compile all the data of the time frame and send it to your email. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comment below and we'll be more than happy to answer it for you. And if you want to see us more on your For You page, subscribe to our channel.